All right, guys, so we're back for another
taste test.
All right, guys, so I found this cotton candy like randomly in the Target section, I think Valentine's Day. Wait, and it says it's pink rosé. Of course, how was I not going to pick that up, you know? I don't know if it's only the color and it doesn't taste like anything special, but we will find out today. Christopher,
oh,
what are you
and
doing?
Here's my new watch, and
oh yeah, he's been dying to show you guys his watch.
it's like flashy.
And the other thing we're going to be taste testing today are these new Valentine's Day Kit Kats in the red velvet flavor. And it looks like they're with white chocolate, which I absolutely love. You see right here? So we're going to jump right in with the cotton candy. All right. I don't remember how much this was. I think it was like $2 something in like the Valentine's section. Oh my god, I love cotton candy.
Oh,
So
it smells good.
Let's smell.
It smells like strawberry mixed up with something else.
It smells like your typical like burnt sugar, pretty much. All right, so everybody grab a piece.
Okay.
Guys,
All right.
it looks furry and fluffy like a baby penguin.
All right, guys, come. So you're ready?
Yes.
1, 2,
I forgot to say 3.
3.
Hmm,
Oh my god, I love
Not
cotton
bad.
candy.
Not bad. It tastes like
I think there is a difference in taste, but it tastes really typical. There's not that big of a difference, if any.
yeah.
Okay.
I
all
love
this.
the cotton candy.
Me too. Here, Chris, you can have another little piece.
One more piece.
Oh my gosh. Guys, when I used to go to the fair when I was little, this is literally all I would get at the fair, cotton candy. All right, so now we're going to do the Kit Kats.
Mostly everybody in the fair, when they go, they gotta like, cotton candy, mommy, can I go to cotton candy place, please?
Like
You gotta get in the frame.
The
Yeah.
cotton candy stand.
All right, so these are the little Kit Kats. Okay, one for you. You don't want to try it? One for you.
It's gonna taste bad for me.
How do you know?
Mommy.
All right, so I'm going to open it. I'm going to break it open so you guys can see what it looks like inside. I love Kit Kats with white chocolate. To me, this is like the best.
I
will.
like the one with the brown on top
Oh, you like the
cover.
brown better?
because
The
it's
one
so
that's for
chocolatey.
Halloween.
Well, inside, I don't see any difference. I don't know why they're showing us like a piece of cake on the thing, like if there's red in here. It just looks like a regular Kit Kat.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what it looks like. There's nothing special. Yeah. Hold on. Wait for us.
Okay,
Or you want this one?
I want this one.
Okay. All right, so
It says Kit Kat. You cannot see it right.
are you guys ready? 1, 2.
You forgot to say 3.
No, I'm forgetting.
3. Creamy. Creamy.
You tell them. Tell them.
I don't like it that much.
I'm telling you. This is so funny.
But I like the chocolate that looks like cake in it, but not the cover of it.
It's all right. Stop banging. I don't really know how I feel about this.
Yeah.
You like it? You think it's good?
Yeah, I love it. I tasted these before. I know. I love cream.
I don't think I can eat another one. Like it's too... They tried to change the taste so much. It's like too sweet for me. What about you? No, for you it's good probably.
Not for me.
You gotta get in the frame.
Not for me. It doesn't taste good for me.
Tastes horrible?
For me.
All right, come here. Let's take a picture. Okay. Yeah, for us, not too good. For Michael, yes. I give it a middle. Michael gives it a thumbs up, and Chris, what do you give it?
For the
He gives it a down, I give it a middle, and Michael gives it 2 thumbs up. So I like the cotton candy better.
Me too.
This one, I like it so much, and this one, I love both.
I give the cotton candy thumbs up.
I give the cotton candy 2 thumbs up.
I want to eat it all.
All right, guys, we're gonna go have our cotton candy.
Yeah, and the yucky Kit Kat for Michael.
All right, guys. So what do we say?
Bye.
See you next time.
Don't forget to subscribe
Down below, right there.
and comments down below. Which is your favorite candy that we tried today?
Cotton candy.
Or the Kit Kat.
That tastes creamy.
All right, guys. Bye.
Bye.